morning to everyone. Now I am going to speak about the science exhibition, Science, Mathematics and Environment 2020. The name of our school is Rameshwar Niyal GP High School and myself Sneharani Barala. My sub-theme belongs to health, hygiene and cleanliness. Generally, the COVID-19 patients have the severe breathing problem. So they have faced a great problem to climb on the stairs. And we have not thought about such a system which can carry heavy loads with minimum efforts while walking up the stairs. And here our riding trolley emphasis on a system which can carry heavy loads and move the COVID-19 patients in the staircases. And it also can carry foods, medicines and drinking waters for the COVID patients in the COVID hospitals. Then the construction of this project. The construction of this project is very simple and required materials are also available in our locality. The required materials are the riding trolley, the plyboard, its 6 wheels, nails and the tins and etc. The diameter of this wheel is 4.5 inches, the radius of the wheel is 2.25 inches and the length of the trails is 12 inches. Then the width of the stairs is 5.5 inches and the height of the stairs is 2.25 inches. As the radius of the wheel is 2.25 inches is equals to the height of the stairs 2.25 inches. So this trolley can move easily in the staircases. And then the construction of this project is very simple and required materials are available in our locality. The weight of the project is 1.5 kg and inclining angle of this project is 30 degree. The construction of the project based on the principle of this friction. It is observed from the common experience that when a body sliders over another, a force is generated to oppose the motion. This is called the force of the friction. The frictional force at the limiting condition of the rest is greater than that produced at the sliding condition of, but for the same two surfaces the frictional force produced oppose the rolling is still less than kinetic force. This is why wheels are much used for locomotion. To minimize the friction, we have used 6 wheels in the trolley, which is convenient to move in upward direction. And then the calculation of this force of satisfaction. The weight of the trolley W is placed on the inclining plane OB. W acts vertically. Upward BOA is equals to sin theta is equal to 30 degree. The component W along to BOA is equal to W sin theta and the component of the perpendicular of the BO is equals to W cos theta. And the W sin theta tries to move on the trolley along the inclining plane, but the frictional force opposes to it. At the limiting condition, W sin theta is equals to F, magnitude of the static friction, and the W cos theta is equals to R, magnitude of the normal reaction tries to keep the body contact with the inclining plane. The coefficient of satisfaction is equals to F by R and the F is equals to R tan theta. R tan theta is equals to mg tan 30 degree. The value of the mg is 1.5 kg and the g of the is 9.8 meter per second square and the value of the tan 30 degree is equals to 0.577. Then 848190 by 10 to the power 4 is equals to 8.48190 kg into meter per second square and then 8.48190 Newton. Then the utility of this project. many utilities of this project. First, it can help the COVID patients to move on the stairs very easily. It also helps the disabled and the senior citizens to move in the staircases in the COVID hospitals. It also significance in plain road, and it also move very easily or comfortably in the staircases. It is also used the railway buggies are to carry their luggage and bags. And finally, the most important things about this project is it has no necessary fuel and electricity. With this, I conclude my speech about this project. Thank you.